Welcome to Is Sync Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Sync Wallet and related resources are available in the description below. Sync Wallet is a multi-currency cryptocurrency wallet designed to offer users a secure and intuitive way to manage their digital assets. It is targeted at both beginner and experienced crypto users who need a versatile wallet that supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. The wallet's primary appeal lies in its user-friendly interface and strong security features. Sync Wallet uses advanced encryption to protect user funds, ensuring that private keys remain securely stored on your device. This is a non-custodial wallet, meaning only you have access to your keys and no third parties can access or control your assets. It also supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding an extra layer of protection for users during login or transaction approvals. Sync Wallet offers a seed phrase backup, which allows you to recover your funds in case of device loss or malfunction. This makes it a reliable option for users who want to ensure they don't lose access to their assets. However, because it is a non-custodial wallet, users must take responsibility for securely storing their recovery phrase, as losing it could result in the permanent loss of funds. In terms of features, Sync Wallet supports easy transaction management, allowing you to send and receive assets quickly. It's designed to be lightweight, yet powerful enough to manage your portfolio, whether you're holding crypto long-term or actively trading. The wallet is also compatible with various DeFi platforms, making it a great choice for users involved in decentralized finance. Overall, Sync Wallet offers a secure, intuitive, and decentralized solution for managing your crypto assets. Its combination of security features, ease of use, and multi-currency support makes it a reliable wallet for crypto enthusiasts. However, always remember to securely store your backup phrase. For more information, check the links in the description below.